Hello everyone. In this video we will solve for x in this nice exponential equation. Even though it looks a little bit scary, but don't worry, we will solve it step by step so that we won't miss any step. But before we begin, if you are new here, please consider subscribed. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to group them. So we have 16 on x to the power 11 divided by 54 on x to the power 4. I'll group this, all divided by, then we have 2x to the power 2 on 3 divided by 6x to the power 4 on 4. And this is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. Alright, so here we have 16 divided by x to the power 11. Now we will change this sign to multiplication, so we have times. In doing so, this one will go up, then this one will come down. So we have x to the power 4 on 54, all divided by, then we have 2x to the power 2 on 3 times, then we have 4 on 6x to the power 4, alright, and is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. 2 goes here a, and then goes here 27. Then taking this x to the power 4 from this, we have x to the power 7. Alright, so we have 8 on x to the power 7 times 1 on 27 in bracket, all divided by, then here we have 2x to the power 2, then 6x to the power 4. So this whole thing can go here. 3x to the power 4. Alright, so we have 1 on 3 times 4 on 3x to the power 2. And then the whole thing is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. Alright, so here let's combine them. 8 times 1 is 8 divided by x to the power 7 times 27. We have 27 x to the power 7 divided by 1 times 4 is 4 divided by 3 times 3 is 9x squared, and this is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. Alright, so here let's change the sign. So we have 8 on 27x to the 7 times, this one will go top like we did earlier. So we have 9x to the power 2 on 4 is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. Alright, so here 4 goes into itself 1 and then goes into 8 2 times. Then 9 goes into itself 1, then goes to 27 3 times. Then this x to the power 2, taken from this, we have x to the power 5. So we have 2 on 3x to the power 5 times 1 on 1, and this is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. 1 on 1 is 1, and then 1 times this, we have the exact same thing. So we have 2 on 3x to the power 5 is equal to 24 on x to the power 7. So here we can cross multiply. So we have 2x to the 7 is equal to 24 times 3 is 72 x to the power 5. Alright, so we can divide each side by x to the power 5. So we have x to the power 5, then x to the power 5 over here. This is the same as 2x to the power 7 minus 5 is equal to, this one will cancel this, so we have 72 over here. So we have 2x to the power 7 minus 5 is 2 is equal to 72. Alright, so now we can divide each side by 2. So we have here by 2, then here by 2. This one will cancel this, so we have x to the power 2 is equal to 72 divided by 2 is 36. So we can take square root on both sides, but don't forget that we have plus or minus over here. So that this one will cancel this. So we have x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. And square root of 36 is equal to plus or minus 6. So we can easily say that x is equal to plus or minus 6. So guys, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again on the next video.